Here's a 1956 Ford Thunderbird convertible. This two-owner 56 Thunderbird was bought new in Waterbury, Connecticut. The owner restored the car and took a year to finish it, and the second owner took pride in everything he did. It has only 805 miles since finished and was only brought out to local car shows. The complete driveline was rebuilt, as well as all safety and electrical, other than the clockwork. The air conditioning blows very cold, and this is a very rare car because the Peacock interior was a rare color choice. The features and options include the 312 CI V8 engine, automatic transmission, power steering, power brakes, and air conditioning, of course. And it has the KELSEY wire wheels, radial, wide white wall radials, and rear continental wheel. If you're looking for a 56 Thunderbird, this is a car that was taken to new levels of quality and has attention to detail in every aspect. Come see it today.
We're conveniently located at 241 Boston Road in Milford, Connecticut, or online 24/7 at NapoliClassics.com.